Hey guys, this is Alex Orchiez, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do long exposures. So I'm currently in Tokyo, and last night I went out to Daiba to get some long exposures of Rainbow Bridge and the surrounding areas. In doing so, I've decided to make this quick tutorial for you. So first things first, what are you gonna need? You're gonna need a tripod, a stabilizer, or a steady surface. When doing long exposures, your camera has to be completely steady, or you will have movement in your shot and it'll come out blurry. So you definitely need one of those three things. Another piece of gear that I recommend is an ND filter. ND filters will let you do even longer exposures than without them. So now that you have your gear, let's talk about shutter speeds. I recommend shooting between 1 and 30 seconds. The shutter speed depends on what type of stabilization that you're using. If you're using a gimbal, perhaps 5 to 10 seconds is the ideal shutter speed for you. But if you're using a heavy-duty tripod that is extremely stable, you could probably get away with 20, 30 seconds, maybe even use the bulb feature if you have a trigger or wireless remote. Another factor that goes into your shutter speed is what it is that you're shooting. If you're shooting a busy street and want to get light trails, then you might want to slow down the shutter just a bit more, maybe 20 seconds, 30 seconds, something like that. As far as the f-stop goes, it really all depends on what you're going for. If you're doing a landscape or cityscape, you might want to keep it between 4 and 8, maybe even 12 to get more in focus. But if you're doing a portrait, then maybe stick to 2.8 or 1.8. It really all depends on what look you're going for and what your subject is. For the ISO, I like to keep it as low as possible to reduce noise. I normally use between 100 to 200, maybe even 400 sometimes. But I do try to keep it as low as possible. The final step is to set up your drive mode. The drive mode that I like to use personally is the 5-second timer with a 3-shot burst. So that's pretty much it for this long exposure tutorial. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more content.